loves, in today's video, we will going to have love reading messages and message from your person. So, let's see the energy first. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Ito, mamaya natin and i-open. Ayan. Okay, ito, tumalon to. Let's open our cards. In this reading, searching. Thirsty and... Okay. So, in this connection, my loves, isa sa mga focus ng energy na to, confirmation if you are looking for sideline, online sideline, hustle. If you are looking for someone na mas stable, sabihin na natin, mas mayaman, mas stable na partner, okay? Pwede papasok yun sa isip mo. Searching online. Then dito, sabihin natin na pwede din nagtatanong ka right now kung nakadestined ka ba sa taong stable. Kasi pag itong hamster wheel, pinag-uusapan dyan yung mga kaperahan na sabihin natin yung daily life, pwede din, my loves, nandyan din yung pagsasawa sa takbo ng love life mo. So, dito my loves, I hear na if you are single, yun yung focus ng energy dito, naghahanap ka ng love life, or sabihin natin you are longing or looking for love life, online, pwede yung mga dating app, na sa, parang kumbaga, yung sa tingin mo yung makakapagpaahon sa'yo sa kahirapan, or yung magbibigay sa'yo ng ease sa pang-araw-araw mong pamumuhay. If ever, my loves, na you are in relationship, I also hear na dito ay ang focus ng inyong relationship right now is about finances. Your daily, sabihin natin, nasa survival mode. One of you are, sabihin natin, my loves, na parang mas priority nila ang kanilang career right now. And nasa set aside itong relationship na meron kayo. Okay, looking for info records. I hear na if ever then, my loves, na naghahanap ka ng sideline na pang online, pwede, my loves. And right now, I feel most of you are anxious right now. Kumbaga, nandito kayo sa peak ng season kung saan ay parang napaka-overly emotional mo, or sabihin natin overloaded. Okay, mentally overloaded. And may isa pa yan, bukod sa love, may kinalaman din dyan yung mga sources of income. Okay, let's see more confirmation. Okay, Cupid's arrow, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, pwedeng ikaw, if you are single, naghahanap ka, you still have faith, pero double confirmation, my loves. Abundance. Okay, right now, spirits wants you to know na they are supporting you. No need to mentally burden yourself. You don't need to focusing your heart and mind dito sa kinalalagyan mo right now, kasi there's an assurance for abundance for you. Just keep a positive mindset, my loves, and have faith. Love is coming. So sa ngayon talaga, my loves, I hear na malakas ang energy dito if you are looking for love. Okay, have faith, love is coming. Pwedeng ma-surprise ka sa mga pwedeng mangyari coming soon. Okay? So, I hear na someone is stalking you. Okay? Looking for you. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap, pwedeng ikaw, my loves, naghahanap, pwedeng yung person mo rin. Okay? Pwedeng itong person mo rin na sabihin natin, pwedeng into you, ay looking for you. saan man silang dako ng sabihin natin everything or everywhere, hinahanap ka nila. Alam niyo yun? Kasi double confirmation, no? Merong naghahanap sa'yo, pwede din nag-i-stalk sa'yo online. And pwede ito, my loves, kung hindi man to nagtatapat sa'yo, I hear na dahil sa status nila sa buhay. Pero there are, sabihin natin, meetings, surprise invitation coming for you. No need to hesitate. Pagdating sa love life, my loves. Kasi ito yung isa sa mga nakakapagbabigat ng damdamin mo, my loves, right now. Your love life. Also, masyado kang nakafocus sa perception na to. Na nagkakos sa'yo ng chaos, my loves. Kumbaga, ilayo mo yung mind mo dito. Kung ano man yung nagkakos sa'yo ng pagiging anxious right now, this season, sabihin na natin, Spirits wants you to focus on your daily finances, incomes. Kasi dito, kailangan dito ng positive energy, my loves. Kung ang pinoproblema mo right now is love life, this is confirmation na wala kang dapat problemahin. Okay? Wala kang kailangan problemahin, wala kang dapat problemahin. If you are looking for someone, kung ikaw ay nag-i-stalk for someone, don't worry, my loves, kasi may darating. Or pwedeng ganun din yung ganun din yun, my loves. Pwede din, my loves, I hear na isa sa nagkakos ng pagiging anxious mo is social media. Meron kang taong ini-stalk, sinusubaybayan. At dahil doon, kumbaga, hindi ka nakukulong ka doon sa proseso na palagi mong inaabangan kung ano mangyayari sa buhay nito. Kumbaga, naging routine mo to, my loves. Pero, alam mo yun? Kumbaga, Spirits wants you to learn about this na hindi mo kailangang pagpukusan ito. Nagkakos tayo ito ng chaos mentally. More confirmation, Spirits. Yun, nalaglag na. Oh. So, oo nga. Naging routine mo to, my loves. Naging routine mo na lang to. Na parang gusto mo inaantabayanan, meron kang taong inaantabayanan, if ever na hindi ikaw to, your person on your mind, meron siyang inaantabayanan, pwedeng ikaw, my loves. And the truth, kasi ito is pwede natin with the Queen and with the King of Swords, is nandyan yung truth, nandyan yung sabihin natin power and authority. So, my loves, kumbaga kung ikaw ay nako-confuse right now, meron ma-unfold sa'yo. May mga na-unfold right now, hindi mo pa talaga alam, bulag ka sa mga nangyayari, hindi ka aware. At iyon ay sabihin natin masyado mong sinusuppress yung emotion dito. Sa part na ikaw sabihin natin longing for something, longing for love. Okay, my loves, it's time for you to move on. Naaapektuhan nito yung mga plans mo. It's time for you to abandon this routine. Diba kagaya na sinabi ko sa'yo, naging routine mo to. Kailangan mo na tong, sabihin natin, kailangan mo na mag-move on dito, my loves. You are reaching the limit. This message is reminding you na hindi na to healthy sa'yo. Okay? Kasi yung mga plano mo nawawala na nang dahil dito sa emotion na to. Pwede talaga yung emotion na yan is nag-cause sa'yo na, pwede din na meron ka nabalitaan through social media, or kung wala pa to, meron ka mababalitaan na magkakos sa'yo ng trigger. Pwedeng from the past, meron kang nakita. Pero ang truth and nandito din, watching, stalking someone. Dalawa, confirmation, my loves. Pero Spirits wants you to move on about this. Talikuran mo na to. At dito ka humarap sa positive side. You have to manifest exactly what you want, my loves. Kasi dito, may tendency, Spirits are reminding you na you have to let it go. Dalawa din, my loves, I hear na kailangan mo mag-travel or mayroong travel na paparating sa'yo. Don't worry, my loves. Just ialis mo yung isip mo dito sa chaos na nasa isipan mo, my loves. Travel, pwede din, my loves, yan ay pwedeng mag-cause sa'yo ng introspection and self-discovery. You have to withdraw dito sa drama queen vibe na to. You are someone is thirsty. Maybe you, maybe them. Pero kumbaga, gustong-gusto nilang malaman kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo. Or pwedeng ikaw, gustong-gusto mong malaman kung ano yung nangyayari sa kanila. Okay, so maybe someone then is, sabihin natin, dahil walang access sa'yo, walang access. Kumbaga, walang nalalaman tungkol sa'yo, nagkakos yun ng anxiousness sa kanila. Pero dito, my loves, malakas ang energy dito na ito ay naging routine eh. Parang paulit-ulit na lang na every time na habang lumilipas yung mga araw, parang yun na lang naging routine mo. Hindi mo yun sisilipin, hindi ka makikibalita. I also hear na, alam nyo yun, yung sabi nga, pag daw palagi mong ino-open yung profile ng isang tao, magiging top fan ka. Makaka-receive ka ng top fan badge. Gusto nyo ba yun, my loves? Ewan ko kung totoo yung ganun. I hear that, my loves. So, iwasan yung spirits wants you to move on about that situation or issue na nagkukos sa'yo ng chaos. But, medyo madim ang light, my loves. You have to think on the positive sides. You have to focus on your finances. But, my loves, I hear na, if ever na hindi ikaw to, your person, and your person are still into trap. Surviving daily hustle, alam niyo yung pag nasa survival mode ang isang tao, ang dami nang nagagawa na parang labag sa kanyang kalooban. Halimbawa na talikuran kanya para sa career, talikuran kanya para sa friends and families, ganun. Kumbaga, survival mode. Pero dito, my loves, may abandonment nga dito. So, pwede talaga, my loves, na meron ka ding na-abandon na plano. Pwede ding kayo. If you and your person, sabihin natin into this situation, maaari may mga plano na hindi natupad, pwede ding travel na hindi natupad. But one thing is, dito may lesson, my love, na kailangan mong matake, kailangan mo talagang masurvivean. And that is the self-discovery na kailangan tulungan mo sarili mo. Okay? Huwag mo ilugmok diyan sa darkness na yan. Dito sa nagkokos sa'yo ng chaos. Huwag mo ilugmok, my loves. Okay, let's see message from your person. By the way, I would like to remind you na pag message from your person, isenter mo ang iyong energy, my loves. Isenter mo ang iyong energy dun sa person. Person on your mind or person na connected, resonated with this reading. Person. Message from your person. Okay. My loves, dito nga is, I hear na you are searching for love. You are sad, you are lonely. You feel lonely because, sabihin natin, you are longing for someone. Pero this person na na-resonate natin, ito yung gusto nila sabihin or ng higher self nila sa'yo. I left when I saw you with someone. My loves, sabihin natin na parehas kayo ng nararamdaman. I also hear that na may insecurity, malaki insecurity nito lalo na sa pera, sa kanyang status sa buhay. Pero hindi mo yun alam. You are innocent about that. Na may ganong kalaking insecurity yung person na to. Kasi my love, so hindi pa niya, I think na hindi mo to alam eh. Hindi mo alam kung gaano kalaki yung impact mo sa person na to. Hindi mo alam yun. Na every time na makakausap ka niya, makakaharap ka niya, is intoxicating or kayang-kaya, parang kumbaga nalulula siya sa'yo. But this person napakagaling mag-hide. Ang galing niyang magtago ng nararamdaman, my loves, kasi hindi mo yun nahalata. And this is confirmation din na wala kayong communication, you are in separation. I hide behind material things, my loves. Kaya lumitaw dito, oo, parang kung titingnan, my loves, focus siya sa kanyang career, sa kanyang finances. Pero deep inside, my loves, they are, sabihin natin, into you. Hindi nila yung pinakita and never nilang ipinakita yon, my loves. Lalo na dito. Okay? So, dito, my loves, nagkokos yun sa'yo ng lots of chaos na parang feeling mo hindi ka kamahal-mahal, hindi ka na-appreciate ng taong to. Pero, masasabi natin, deserve mo ba yon, my loves? Na eto, nandito ka, you are thirsty for their, or pwede din, my love, they are thirsty for your presence. And I think hindi mo deserve yung ganun love, lalo na kung hindi ka kayang panindigan. Let's see more messages from this person. I'm sorry, oh. Accepted nila na wand. My loves, oh, okay. I can't even look at you right now. They feel sorry. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, hindi ka nila pinanindigan, my loves. Hindi nila napanindigan yung feelings na to. Hindi mo yan naramdaman, hindi niya yan pinakita. Sinadya niyang hindi din ipakita. At pwedeng, dahil nga sa ego na meron siya. I can't even look at you right now. Kasi alam niya yun yung naramdaman niya sa'yo. Na hindi man lang niya inamin yun. Alam mo yun, yung siya lang nakakaalam ng feelings niya. Samantalang ikaw, you are longing, searching for love. Parang iniisip mo kung kamahal-mahal ka ba, kung deserve mo ba ng love. Anxious ka kung may tamang tao pa ba sa'yo. Kasi itong love na to, hindi ka pininindigan eh. Hindi ka pininindigan, my loves. Parang mas inuna nila yung pride and ego nila. But they want you. They are passionate with you, with this wand. And hearing na ikaw yung kumbaga talagang nagparamdam sa kanila noon. Sa kanila or sa'yo, nila yon naramdaman. Pero my loves, I hear din na you don't deserve this kind of energy. This kind of love. Let's see. Surprise. Again, may surprise na naman dito. I am planning to surprise you soon with a gift from the heart. So, this person are planning to get connected with you. Get ready to receive something special soon that expresses how they feel about you. Okay, let's see. Dito kasi, sabihin natin, the gift could some of any form of physical or spiritual. Pwedeng, my loves, ito is hindi direct na communication. Pwedeng spiritual realms. The romantic gesture, and it will brings you closer. The romantic gesture, 3D communication or telepathic communication is on its way to you. So, dito, my loves, diba? Double confirmation na meron nga talaga paparating na meeting. Pero this meeting, sabihin natin na pwedeng yan nga, yung romantic, that is gift from the heart. Pero may tendency din, my loves, na this is spiritual and not in 3D. We were always meant to meet. It was written in the stars. Okay. Their higher self are communicating. Pero, my loves, it's up to you kung paano mo i-absorb, my loves, to. Kung sa tingin mo, hindi mo deserve yung ganitong klase ng love, use your free will, my loves. Surrender. At times, we must surrender the old before something new can enter our lives. Let go and all will work out. Okay. So, this is confirmation, my loves, na hindi mo kailangan intayin yung araw na sinasabi niya na magkikita ulit kayo. Hindi mo yun kailangang intayin. Okay? Kasi yung person na to, pwedeng, ayan, hindi niya, okay, soulmate, my loves. Pwedeng naniniwala na soulmate kayo, or talagang destined kayo, my loves. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this believe this and they will manifest physically, my loves. Eto, as personal advice, hindi mo kailangang intayin to. You deserve someone na kaya kang panindigan, my loves. Okay? You have to let it go. You have to let go para mag-workout din to. Hindi mo kailangan ma-obsess dito. And sabihin na natin niya, ayan, their higher self, merong assurance, my loves, na talaga magkikita, magtatagpo pa ulit kayo, my loves. Dahil kayo ay soulmate. So, confirmation na isa to sa mga soulmate mo, my loves. Pero dito kasi, the focus of this energy is paano mo i-handle to. Because this is causing chaos. Yung pagiging lone mo. You have to enjoy life, my loves. Pero ayan o, double confirmation na magkikita pa ulit kayo. And isa na din sa confirmation na nagkaroon talaga ng feelings sa'yo itong person mo. Pero hindi ka niya napanindigan. Okay. Let's see Angel's advice. So, if you are asking kung ano mo na, yes, in perfect timing. In God's perfect timing, hindi mo kailangang mainip. Hindi mo kailangang magmadali, my loves. Hindi mo kailangang sabihin natin, ayan o, looking for someone. Masyado ka nagsasearch, my loves. Kusayang darating. Okay? Let your friends help you. Okay, with the support of your friends, magtiwala ka. Lalo na, my loves, kung may kinalaman about this person. Kung sinasabi kung about this person, or sabihin natin about your love life. My loves, one reminder, you have to let this situation go. Kasi nagkukos talaga to ng chaos sa'yo in your mind. Ayan o. Okay? So, habang wala pa siya, hindi mo siya kailangang intayin. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, let go. Mag-move on ka dito, focus on your plans. Kasi ganun din naman siya. Ayan o. Ganyan din siya, my loves. Napaka-unfair, my loves, kung ikaw, ikinukulong mo yung sarili mo sa dilim. Then, yung other person mo is, kumbaga, nagfo-focus sa ganito. Kung talagang love ka ng person mo, my loves, patawarin mo siya kung hindi kanya napanindigan. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun is magfo-focus ka sa kanya. Okay? You have to heal yourself. And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.